Come in. Well, 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 look who's here. I haven't seen you in many a year. If I knew you were coming, I'd bake a cake, bake a cake.
I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. Ooh, 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 ooh. You know I love you. You all know I'm cray-cray. But I just wanted to come on today and thank all of my subscribers for helping me reach 2,000 plus. I am so excited. I'm going to do the happy dance. It really does mean a lot to me. I have so many people to thank. I think people that aren't on YouTube or don't have a YouTube channel maybe don't understand how exciting it is. But when you put so much work into your channel and you love what you're doing, you do get excited when you get a lot of subscribers, because it means they like you and they like your channel and they watch your videos. And isn't that what it's all about? So I want to thank, first of all, the cameraman. Hi, cameraman.
Hi, Diva.
The cameraman, aka the hubby. I couldn't do it without him. He does all the videotaping. Yes, he does, and he does a pretty good job. Do we have our moments? Yeah. Do we have our arguments? What do you think, cameraman?
Yes.
Yes, because he thinks he's the director. I try to tell him he's just the cameraman, but he doesn't want to listen to me. I tell him, this is not Rachel Ray, this is just the Baking Diva.
I'll have you know that I taught filmmaking in high school.
Oh, please.
And what I know, I'm trying to impart to you.
Yeah,
and you are truly a diva.
Yes, thank you. I find that a compliment. So anyway, I want to thank the cameraman. I want to thank those that I've done collabs with. They were a lot of fun, and you know, we help each other's channels out. I want to thank those that gave me shout outs. That meant a lot to me. And most of all of you that subscribe to my channel. I love YouTube. I love making these videos. It's a hobby. And they always say, what's that saying? If you like what you do, you'll never work a day in your life. And I enjoy this. It's a great hobby for me. Haven't made any money yet, but maybe someday. Keep hitting that red subscribe button and I'll get up to 3,000. So anyway, thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it, and it means a lot to me. And while I'm here, I want to wish everyone who celebrates a happy 4th of July. We're very blessed to live in this country, right, cameraman?
Surely.
The land of the free and the home of the brave. And I think sometimes we don't appreciate how blessed we are to live in the United States, but we are. So happy 4th of July, everyone. I hope to see you soon. Like, comment. I like the comments, and I try to answer all of them. If I can't get to all of them, I'll hit the heart, and you'll know that I read your comment. And share my videos. If I'm doing a cheesecake video and you know of a friend that likes cheesecake, you just hit that share button under the video and choices come up. You can email them the video so they'll have the recipe or whatever. So I hope you continue to go on this little baking journey with me. I am a little cray-cray with the videos, but what the heck? You only live once. You don't have to be that serious. It's fun. Why not? Why can't we make videos and have fun too? So anyway, love you all. Appreciate each and every one of you. And I hope to see you soon. Toodles!